Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can keep your mobile data always turned on, or your Wi-Fi will be always be used when your phone goes to locked. Sometimes when you are using mobile data, or when you are using Wi-Fi for internet, and if your phone goes to locked mode, okay, then what will happen? Automatically mobile data will be cut, and Wi-Fi will be cut. This will happen only some settings will be according to that. Okay, so you go to change that settings. By default, I think it will always work. Okay, when your phone is locked. Now my phone is locked, but if I use mobile data through USB tethering or Wi-Fi, and if I share Wi-Fi through USB tethering, and it will work continuously. Okay, but sometimes settings may have been changed accidentally. Okay, so you may feel that sometimes mobile data is cutting often, and you will be confusing what happens. Okay, then you can troubleshoot using the settings. What you have to do is go to the settings of a phone here, and then go to lock screen, and go to secure lock settings, and draw your current pattern, and see here this setting show this settings lock network and security. Okay, here read prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. Okay, so mobile data and Wi-Fi being turned off. Okay, that will be prevent when your phone is locked. Find my mobile uses these connections to locate and control your phone when it's lost. Okay, so you have to turn on the settings. Okay, then always whether your phone is in locked or unlocked, if you are using your mobile data with other device, it will work continuously. Okay, this is the settings. So you have to keep the settings always turned on if you are using mobile data to other device using USB tethering or any other method. Okay, and I show the settings. Go to settings, secure lock settings, and keep the settings local network and security is turned on. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.